Hello, my name is Prachi Patel.
Let's talk about acute lymphoblastic leukemia. So, what is acute lymphoblastic leukemia? Let's break down the term. Acute means rapid progression, lympho means white blood, blastic means immature, and leukemia means blood cancer. So, simply, acute lymphoblastic leukemia is blood cancer caused by immature white blood cells. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is uncommon among other types of cancer. However, it is common among children who have leukemia. So, what causes immature white blood cells? Well, to begin, the bone marrow produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. There are two types of white blood cells, lymphocytes and myeloid cells. Usually, the white blood cells work in unison to fight infections. They are able to develop, repair, and reproduce in a controlled way. But in leukemia patients, the blood cells continue to divide within the bone marrow and they will not mature. This results in an abundance of immature white blood cells, also known as lymphoblasts. These immature cells will fill up the bone marrow and prevent the production of healthy, mature blood cells. With the disruption of balance of mature white blood cells, the body will have a hard time fighting off infections. So, what causes the abnormality in the bone marrow? Well, scientists have a few theories, but currently it is unclear. One of the theories is called a two-hit theory. The first hit is a genetic mutation. The second hit is an exposure to an infection or an environmental factor. The second hit could be triggered by an infection that the immune system does not recognize, or an environmental factor such as prenatal exposure to X-rays or postnatal exposure to high levels of radiation. So, what are the chances of survival? Well, due to the intensive research and dedication to find a treatment, survival rates in adolescents have increased from 50% to 90% since 1950. So why is it important for us to further study this? Well, if we do continue our research and find people with a passion in this field, we could potentially increase the survival chances even further and find a way to cure the cancer during the early stages.